Okay, another technique that I wanted to show you is you can use, this is called the third arm or a solder assist, but essentially you can open this up by squeezing this and then placing your jump rings inside of there. So if you feel that, you know, this would be something you would prefer, you can use that. So this is a little bit more time consuming because then you have to kind of rotate out, but it's still just as simple and easy to do. So here, I'll just do a quick demo on that. Let me try to get that up there so you can see it, which is kind of difficult. Okay. So you can see that my seam is at the top. Try to get that close. A little bit of flux. It is not lining up. You want to try to get tension on the seam. That's the key. Put a little bit of solder on there. This is, however, easier to do simply because you can get the heat to go underneath and draw that solder through. So I can easily kind of, I don't want to point it at my computer, point that flame so it's underneath. Drawing that solder through that seam, which you can see it melted, and there it did. So it is a lot quicker. And then you wouldn't want to, remember, you would not want to pick that up. That's why I just quenched the whole thing. You know, this is essentially like your tweezers.